Thank you. Are these the flowers?
Yes,
Boop.
that's your flowers.
Thank you. Can you smell them?
Oh, that smells good.
It smells good. Okay, let's play catch.
My crown.
Pick it up.
It keeps falling down. Please help me.
Sure. Oh,
Hey,
how's that?
I need to call you.
Okay, let's play catch for a little while. Here, let's play catch. Come on, throw it to me. Do you throw it to me?
Ready? There you go. Catch.
Thank you. Now you get ready. Put your hands up. Oh, back up. Back up. Back up a little. Move back. Back up. Here, put your hands up. Yeah, like that. Ready? No, not that. Not okay. You're good. Ready?
Ready.
Oh, put them up. Put your hands. There you go. There it is. Good job. Thank you.
There we go.
There you go.
You ready?
Yes.
Got it.
Hey, did you have ballet today?
Yes, Aspen. And
What else?
I pull you with on your back.
Yeah.
I pull you with on your head.
Oh, yeah.
Pull it on my foot. People there. I squish.
Squish?
Yes, that we do.
Yeah, that's what you do?
Yes.
Awesome.
Class.
In ballet class.
It's a squish around.
Yeah?
I squish, we eat it.
Yeah.
Done.
You know,
I'm gonna go upstairs.
can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye, Grandma.
To the camera.
Bye, Grandma.
Say love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.